How to maximize your tax returns through real estate investing. Are you ready to maximize your returns through real estate investing? Hi, my name is Mina Badros with eXp Realty, and today I'm going to share with you 3 important things to know when it comes to tax benefits that will put more money back in your pocket. Number 1 is depreciation. Real estate properties naturally depreciate over time, which means you can deduct a portion of their value from your taxable income. Depreciation, you can significantly reduce your tax burden and increase your tax returns. What is depreciation? In short, depreciation is a fictitious loss for tax purposes that shows that your property is losing value through the wear and tear and the age of the property. Check out my other video on depreciation if you're interested to learn more about that. Number 2, deductible expenses. What can be deductible expenses? Things like property tax, insurance, interest that you pay on the loan, repairs, property management fees, utilities, and anything else that you pay in order to operate this investment property. By tracking and documenting these expenses and working with your accountant to submit them properly, you can significantly reduce your tax liability. And number 3, using 1031 exchanges. What's a 1031 exchange? A 1031 exchange allows you to defer capital gains when selling a property. You can reinvest the proceeds or the profit from that sale into another similar property. By using these powerful strategies, you can keep more of your money invested and working for you in real estate. Today you have it, folks. By leveraging depreciation, exploring deductible expenses, and using 1031 exchanges, you can supercharge your tax benefits. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your tax savings soar. Like, subscribe, and follow the channel on the platform you watch this in. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, a heart, share it with your fellow investors and friends, and together we can help people build wealth and maximize tax returns through real estate investing. Thanks for watching.